Hello everyone, Amanda here from Scrimpingmommy.co.uk, and I'm pleased to announce today the launch of my brand new card classes in the mail service. It's a little bit of an add-on. I already do the stamping selections, which are a different product. They are a share of a suite, so you're getting a little bit of everything. This is a card class in the mail, so you're going to get everything you need to create beautiful cards each month. I'm going to leave all of the details over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. Now these are going to be a product-based card class in the mail. So, you know, there's going to be everything that you need to create these cards, including the stamp set. And you can also upgrade them to include ink pads, stamping blends like I've used on this card here. So there's going to be a couple of options, but the bare basic class will include everything you need to make the cards, including the stamp set. You're going to get full instructional sheets of how to create these beautiful cards. I've just been printing some out today, and so basically you get a beautiful PDF sheet with the photographic reference, all the measurements, everything you need, and that will be sent to you along with your card class in the mail. You'll also get exclusive access to one of my Facebook groups, and I'm going to add cards in the mail class customers to my stamping selections group, because it's going to be based on the same thing each month. It's just that one is a product share and one is a full card class. Okay, now the PDF sheet is also available to anybody who shops with me online. You will get that sent to your email, so it won't be sent to you in the mail physically. You won't get any of the products or any of the components, but you'll get the PDF instruction for free. That's just for shopping with me. So card class in the mail will get the stamp set, the instructions, they'll get all of the DSP that you need, all of the card bases, the envelopes, you'll get everything. Okay, it's a completely different product. Now also, another thing that I can do, I do have lots and lots of supporters in different countries, be them crafters, be them demonstrators. I can sell the PDF sheet out of the UK because there's no products with it. So if you want to buy the PDF instructional class sheet, you can do that as well. So I'm going to list all of this over on my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk. So the deadline to order the card class in the mail is going to be the 14th of every month. Okay, the 14th of every month. And then I can order in all of your items, and I can get the card kits together, and then I can send it all out in the mail to you. So 14th of the month is the deadline for these, as I say, so that I can order all of the products that's going to go in your card class in the mail. So if that's something that interests you, you can contact me and chat about it, or you can hop on over to my blog at scrimpingmommy.co.uk and check out my new card classes in the mail, and these are going to be available every month, and each month will be a different theme and a different set of samples. Now I'm sharing these this month. In future I won't be sharing them in public. Only those that are buying the kits will see them, and buying the card classes will see them, and customers who shop with me online will see them. I might share some sneak peeks where you can't see the full card, but they're all going to be beautiful cards, not basic cards. They're going to be ever so slightly stepped up, but I'm going to give you instructions so that you can create these beautiful cards at home. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again soon. Bye.